Today I have come to see the temple. Look friends, the temple is so beautiful. This temple is a so distance from my house. And friends, now I am going to offer water to Lord Shankarji. And see friends, what I have done to offer myself to Lord Shankarji. Here I have offered flowers to Mother Ganga. See friends, beautiful this view. And now I am going inside the temple. And friends, it's very crowded here. See friends. See, this is Shivling where everyone is offering water. I have come out of temple. Now I have applied warm land on my forehead here. Hence, there is a king's palace next to it. So then let us show you the king's palace. See friends, this is the main gate of this palace on which Sri Ram Janki Mahal is written. These walls have become very weak and are breaking. Here, the statue of Mother is also installed here. Friends, now we are going to the second floor. And friends, it's said that many ways have been closed in this. And see friends, this is stairs. This palace is very old palace. So finally friends, we have reached the second floor. And friends, if you look down from this window, there is a small temple on its side also. So friends, we all are going out from this palace.
Our college is also a little near this palace.
So friends, we all are going to our college. See friends, so finally we have reached our college, and you can see friends, this is our lovely college, and today I am here after a long time. See friends, and my college name is BCD Inter College Rampur Tingraha Konda. And friends, you too must be remembering those moments a lot. Seriously friends. And see friends, this used to be our class when I was in class 10th. We are arguing our home. So friends, now while leaving we will take sugar packet and then go home.